Hey guys, welcome back to my cooking channel, and today I will be cooking banana rice. Yes, sure, you heard correct. Banana rice with some curry chicken back. So today I will be focusing more on how we cook the banana rice because most people by now would or should know how to cook chicken back. But yes, guys, I will be showing steps of cooking the chicken back, curry chicken back. But my main focus is the banana rice. So for banana rice, guys, and this is to just show that you don't always have to eat the white or the plain rice, or you don't have to be rice and peas. It can be pumpkin rice, it can be vegetable rice, it can be Spanish rice, pineapple rice, coconut rice, and banana rice, right? So today I'm going to be showing you steps of how to cook banana rice. So let's go cook our banana rice with curry chicken back. So here we go. Okay guys, so this oil is being heated. Not much oil because you know chicken back it's spring own oil. So we want to put that to burn. Caribbean thing I guess. Meantime, curry for burn. Yeah. I'm just choose to go ahead with the meat first, then where I need it to cook. So most times when I am cooking I start as if it's rice. We start. I think it's time to add our meat now. And as you know, you won't see a clip with me seasoning the meat because as you know I seasoned my meat all at once. So when I come from the supermarket with them, I just clean them up, wash them with vinegar, lime juice, season them right away, parcel them, put them in the freezer. Yes, so I'm ready to cook. I'm gonna have to wait for me to out back and then season and then put to marinate. Even though I can season my meat same time and cook them. That's one of my superpowers. I can season my meat right away and cook it, but I prefer to just season them all at once. It saves time. So you know, we make this brown a bit. Then we add water and leave to simmer down. And then we're going to the steps now for the banana rice. So that's our main focus, right? Yes. And this chicken back is so lovely and pretty, full of meat, pretty, fresh. I love fresh meat. A shop for the best fresh meat. So we're gonna add water to this now, let it simmer. Okay guys, here's our coconut milk. So I'm going to peel and wash the bananas and put in. I'll be showing you that in a few. Peeling up the bananas to add to our coconut milk. Wash. So you slice it like this. Wow, that should have dropped. Let me slice it here. So you slice them up in small, like this. So I'm going to do the next three. People, here we have it. So for seasoning, you season it up like a rice and peas. So this is the coconut milk, the bananas, peel and wash and cut in small pieces, scallion, thyme, a green pepper, little Maggi, all-purpose, little salt, a little black pepper, and a little of my special blend seasoning. And we're gonna put this now on the cooker to boil, to cook. So once this start boil up, so you know bananas cook quick. Once this starts to boil up, You wash your rice and you add it with your butter. Okay, and I will be showing you that in our next clip. Right, and this is our curry over here. Let me see. Okay, so time to add my ground seasoning, then my ginger, the scallion, thyme, pepper, and a piece of carrot. Yes, me like carrots in my curry. And sweet peppers at the end. And of course, I'm left out my scotch bonnet. What is curry without pepper? What is curry without pepper? So, as I said, now I got ginger, scallion and thyme, onion, scotch bonnet, carrot, and at the end, dash some little sweet pepper on it because I don't want the sweet pepper to cook with the curry because it will pull the taste. So, that is the vibe. So guys, just add the rice with the butter, stir it now, turn down the cooker way down and leave this for steam. So I'm gonna cover this now and leave it to steam. So people, see it here all finished. I'm going to share it now. I stirred it up for cooking purposes. So I'm going to share, and see the banana still firm but then soft. Some of them still whole but they are soft. I'll share now. So I'm going to show you guys how I share. Cut the rice. So when I put the rice in this cup, press it down, press it down. Then I go like this, turn it over on the plate, and leave it to farm for like about 1 minute. Then I go ahead and I share the meat around it here. Sharing meat now. This stuff here. Put it in this plate. Oh. Oh. Share mostly the meat part.
What we do here is go back.
Guys, it's the meat. So it's pretty and nice. And I'm serving this with a slice of pear and some lettuce. Okay guys, so I'm going to show you the finishing. So people, this is the finishing. Okay, curry chicken back with banana rice served with lettuce and a slice of avocado. And thank you so much for staying tuned and staying on the journey of this meal. And thank you so much. I cannot say this enough how much I thank you all for liking, sharing, subscribing, commenting. It is really and truly appreciated. So until my next video, bye lovely people.